Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Bezzera Strega lever machine. And this machine is unique in that there is no pump inside. So the way that it gets water in the boiler is because it's plumbed in, and it completely relies on pressure, water pressure. And this is something that the customer specifically requested when they first bought this machine, that it have no pump. So into the major components of this machine, you can see these big counterweights on the back of the machine to prevent the machine from moving forward when you pull on the lever. This is the safety valve that will open up if the machine is going over pressure to prevent the boiler from blowing up. This is the vacuum release valve that releases vacuum pressure. You can actually see it's leaking now, so we're going to need to replace that. Not a big deal. And you can see where the water goes to the steam on this side, and comes from the bottom of the boiler on the steam side. And this is the pressure stat or pressure sensor, which controls the temperature of the machine through pressure, sensing the pressure, turning on and off this micro switch. And there's the main control board there, right there. It's pretty big. And what else do we have? We have a solenoid valve here that controls the water entering the boiler. And we also have this expansion valve, which opens up to allow excess pressure out of the boiler. And then we have the water level sensors here too, 1 and 2. And that's about it. There's a thermostat. Let's see. Thermostat right there on the head. And not much else. And then, so let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. Test the hot water. Good hot water. The customer didn't bring the portafilter. I don't have one that fits it. So it'll be good if they bring a portafilter with them so we can check to make sure we have a proper fit. You never know when you put a new gasket in if it's going to fit right if you don't have a portafilter. But see, we have a good strong flow of water here. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.